If you're a veteran who hasn't used our VA home loan benefit, you're going to want to hear this.
This sounds like you actually have something to say.
Well,
in 2020, the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs eliminated VA loan limits for eligible veterans, service members, and surviving spouses who have full entitlement. What does full entitlement mean? Well, according to the VA, you have to meet the following criteria. You've never used a VA home loan benefit. You've paid a previous VA loan in full and sold the property. You've used the VA home loan benefits but had a foreclosure or short sale and repaid the VA in full.
Did you get that from one of these books?
One major ticket item that makes the VA loan different and stand apart from other loans like conventional or FHA is that the VA will guarantee the mortgage lender up to 25% of the VA loan if the borrower defaults. So what does that mean to you, the veteran? You don't have to pay PMI or private mortgage insurance like you would if you had FHA or conventional. In other words, you save money.
But I assume it's got something to do with money, 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 money.
A question I get asked a lot is, when do VA loan limits apply to me? Well, VA loan limits apply if you have remaining entitlement, meaning that part of your entitlement has already been used. Again, according to the VA, you could fall under this category if you have an active VA loan, paid a previous VA loan in full and still own the property, refinanced your VA loan into a non-VA loan and still own the property, had a foreclosure or short sale and didn't repay the VA loan in full, had a deed in lieu of foreclosure on a previous VA loan.
Did you get that?
Remember, the loan limits for VA borrowers with remaining entitlement is based on the county where the borrower lives. If the borrower defaults, the VA will only guarantee the lender up to 25% of the county limit minus the entitlement already used. Stay with me here. We are almost done. The last frequently asked question I get all the time is, what does the VA loan limits mean for me?
Yeah, you got that right.
VA loan limits don't limit how much you can borrow to finance a home. That means if you can afford $1 million home, you can essentially purchase said $1 million home with zero money down. No other loan out there can do this.
It's pretty impressive, huh?
Remember, even if you have full entitlement and aren't subject to loan limits, that doesn't necessarily mean you can get any size VA loan you want. Your lender will still need to evaluate your credit history, income, and assets to approve you for a loan for any specific amount. I have partnered with another Marine veteran lender who can help get you started. Veterans helping veterans is a beautiful thing. Let's tackle this together.